go! Secretary, go! Go!
Hi everyone, I just want to say thank you for voting me on this position, which is the secretary. I'm very grateful and I promise that I will do my best and do my job. Thank you for voting me, and I will ask for that. Your message will be in a So hi everyone, I am Precious Nicole Francisco, your newly elected TI, and I am thankful that you voted for this position, and I promise to be responsible and responsible and committed to this position.
Next, bro, manager, project manager. Okay?
Thank you for voting me. I will promise to do my best for this position.
Okay, next.
Hello everyone, my name is Ara and thank you for voting me as a Sokong. Sokong, so I can assure you that maging viral ang video. And then,
Okay, so, yung Socom kahit may mga epic pictures, yung mga pangit pictures.
yeah, it's okay to you
So,
guys.
i-post mo rin yun, pero dapat may ano tayo, may caption tayo na naka-align dun. Bakit yun yung mga patayin tayo or what? Okay, next!